Hi everyone, my name is Miss Yvonne and welcome to another Crafty Monday. Today I'm going to show you how you can make your own salt painting. So basically it's just white glue with salt and you just use watercolor to transfer the color that you want onto your design. So let's get started. Okay, so first let me show you what you need for this activity. First of all, some cardstock or just thicker paper in general, and some paper plates so that you can catch the salt when you're doing the salt painting, and of course some salt, some white glue, and some watercolors. And I prepare a cup of water to use with my watercolors. And that's it. Okay, so grab your white glue and we will start to do your own design. So for this one, I'm gonna draw a flower. And just use your white glue to outline the flower or any design you want. And make sure that your lines are very clear so that later on when you put the salt and the colors on, it will actually show. And here you go, I have my first design over here. It's a flower. And the next step is grab your paper plate because this step might get a little bit messy. And grab your salt and we will start to put the salt onto the white glue. Just be very generous with this step. And make sure the salt actually covers every inch of the white glue you just put on. And later on just put the excess salt onto your plate. And it should look something like this. And you can see that I cover all the white glue with the salt already. And let's put the plate aside. And now we're going to color. So I'll just grab my brush. Just use the water to soften the brush up and tap out the excess water. And now you're going to color. I think I'll just use some yellow for a start. And just gonna use more water. And you can see that when you're tapping on the color on, it kind of do like this very cool effect. That the color just kind of melt into the glue and the salt. And you can just tap on it and color will just transfer. And if you want more water, just add more water in so that it's easier to color the design you're doing. Now you can see I have the center of my flowers done. And for the next step, I'm gonna use some red. And the tip is to add more water so that the color can transfer easily. And now I'm done with the flower. So let's move on. And I will use some green for the very last part. So again, if you want your color to transfer easily onto the white glue and the salt, just use more water if possible. And just by a light tap, you can see the color transfer by itself. And here you go, you have your salt painting done. So when you're painting, you can see that the color kind of transfer into each other and create this very beautiful effect. And you can definitely play with it and make sure to lay flat so it wouldn't have this like watercolor drop onto it. Lay flat and let it dry and you can have fun with more design that you want. And my name is Miss Yvonne and I hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you next time. Bye!